Hi members, Miss Heidi here and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for Sinh, which is a Vietnamese avocado smoothie. So today all we're going to need is 2 avocados, 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of crushed ice, 1/3 cup of milk, and optionally sugar to make it a little bit sweeter. We're also going to be using the blender today. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to add to our blender here is our avocados. We're going to take 2 whole avocados and add that into your blender. So we just want this green inside part here of our avocado. 3 halves. And 4 halves makes 2 avocados. So we have all of our avocados. And next we're going to add in our sweetened condensed milk. So we're going to add 3 tablespoons of our sweetened condensed milk. And 3, right? And next, our 1 cup of crushed ice. All right, and next comes our milk. So 1/3 cup of milk. And now let's go ahead and blend this up. So make sure you have the top on your blender before you blend and blend it up so it's nice and blended like a smoothie. So here it is, and I'm going to blend it. All right, that looks pretty good, nice and blended. And now you can do a little taste test to see if you'd like to add some more sugar to it, if you want it to be a little sweeter. And once you like the mixture and the taste, you can go ahead and take your glass or your cup and pour it in. Right. And here I have my delicious Sinh, my Vietnamese avocado smoothie. I hope you enjoy and try out this recipe yourself. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!